This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in this product, check out the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about the KitchenAid Professional Series 6000 HD mixer. It has a 6-quart bowl with a nice tulip shape. It's got that little flared edge. I like that for when I'm pouring in ingredients. And it is a bowl lift style mixer, right? So if you're used to the tilt heads and you're thinking about upgrading, generally the larger size, larger capacity bowls will be bowl lift, and they can be a little awkward to get used to when you're first started, but in general, we do like them better. Comes with the same 3 attachments: your dough hook, which we're going to use for things like pizza dough or bread, your wire whip or whisk, which you're going to use for light things like whipped cream or meringues that you want to be nice and fluffy, and probably our most used attachment, which is the paddle or spade. This is one we use for things like cookie dough, cake batter, and even buttercreams. It's very versatile, always nice. So a little about this: you have your speed functions here on the side, right? You have the opening for the gear shaft at the top, right? And you always want to make sure that that is closed. Never want to get a finger in there, but if you're looking to put on extra attachments, that's where you hook them in. And then you can see that the bowl lift is on this side, right? So anytime you're going to use it, you want to make sure it's nice and locked into place. If you're looking to take the bowl off or put on an attachment, you want it down. So I'm going to get this bowl off. It's nice and stiff, and you can see it has those 2 metal pieces on the side for locking into the arm. And in the back, there's this little safety plate where this little nub hooks into. And this is probably the thing that people talk about the most, is they have trouble getting the bowl in place. So you want to line it up so that it is right over the arms, and then take nice firm pressure and push and snap that little nub back into that security plate. And you want to make sure that these are flat against the surface, right? So that your bowl is locked into place. And it's really stiff, but once you get used to it, you'll know what you're doing and it'll be really easy. If you want to put on an attachment or take one off, do things like scrape the bowl, always make sure that the bowl is down, right? Removing the bowl instead of the head of the mixer. You can screw that in, right? They have the same kind of keyhole functions where you twist and pull down to secure your attachments. And when you're ready to use, you want to lift the bowl and have it in place. And you should always check and make sure that your attachments aren't touching the bowl, right, before you turn your mixer on. And this covers the main features of your 6000 HD professional mixer. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about equipment or materials or just inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like more information on yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in this product, you can check out the links in the description.